Samantha from Jessama Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to firm up your soft polymer clay. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to soften up hard polymer clay, and so we took this really hard brittle piece of metallic cernit to this really nice pliable piece of clay, just using translucent liquid clay. So if you haven't checked out that video already, please do. And today I'm going to show you how to take this really quite soft, too soft piece of polymer clay, and I'm going to show you how to turn it into this really nice piece of clay. So all you're going to do is roll out your polymer clay on the thinnest setting of your pasta machine, like so. And let me just remove this out of the way. And once you've got it run out on your thinnest setting, you want to take some plain printing paper or deli paper. You want to lay it on your chosen piece of paper, smooth it out, don't want air bubbles and things. Take a second piece and smooth that over the top and just almost like burnish it. Make sure that it's nice and smoothed on, and you can use plain printing paper as well. And then you'll go put this to the side. If you're in a hurry, you can run it through your pasta machine a bit. You'll run it through a pasta machine, then you'll relay it back on the greaseproof paper and so on. But really what I prefer to do is I like to take this and I like to put it under a heavy book for around 5 hours. And that should leach your clay. And by leaching, you'll take out excess oils, and so over time it will go from really soft to nice and pliable, but you do need to be careful because you can end up making it quite brittle. So just make sure that you don't leave it to leach too long. I generally leave it about 5 hours under a heavy book if it is on the thinnest setting of my pasta machine, and that is the sort of clay that should come out of it. If you do end up leaching it too much, you can just go and have a look at the previous video where I added liquid clay to the hard polymer clay, and you'll be able to get it back to this consistency. And so that is it for this tutorial, and so I do hope that it was helpful to you. Please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.